Good morning, John. For Christmas, from her mom, Katherine received a logbook that once contained records from her grandmother's hair salon. After she had kids, though, she turned it into a recipe book, pasting in recipes from newspapers and magazines from the 40s and 50s. They are interesting, so Katherine and I decided to try a few of them out. The results were mixed. Here is our journey. Recipe 1. Golden Rabbit. You make it with 2 Campbell's soups. Stir well 1 can Campbell's cheddar cheese soup. Gradually blend in 1 can Campbell's tomato soup. Add 1/4 cup milk. Heat, stirring. Pour over crackers or toast. Good.
Bland.
Yeah, it's not a lot of flavor.
I have injured myself. I got too excited about my golden rabbit. Doesn't it look like a golden rabbit?
This is not on the list of things that I want to eat again.
The predominant flavor is crackers.
Well, I do like crackers. It grows on you.
You're still hungry? Just add more crackers.
Serve it with half a raw potato.
Recipe number 2. Popovers. In a bowl, dump 1 cup unsifted flour, 1/2 teaspoon salt, 2 eggs. Just break them over the bowl and drop them in so they're staring at you with their big yellow eyes. 1 cup milk. Beat this with an egg beater till it's just mixed. Now fill the cups half full and set the cookie sheet in the 450-degree oven. You will have 6 splendid popovers so golden brown and exuberantly puffed up that it's almost embarrassing.
I kind of burned them.
Yeah.
You know, tastes like bread.
Northern biscuit.
I'm down with this.
Yeah, I'd like to try them again.
Hole in the middle?
There's a hole in the middle.
I don't know why it's got a hole in the middle. How?
Recipe number 3. Beer dressing. Mix mayonnaise and mustard together, add horseradish, and gradually stir in beer.
I mean, it's not good. I don't really like mustard that much, though.
Recipe number 4. Mexican chop suey. 1/2 pound ground beef fried in butter when possible. 1 cup sliced fresh tomatoes, 1 medium sweet pepper, 1/2 cup chopped onion, 1/2 cup chopped celery, 1 cup milk, 1 tablespoon flour. Fry the meat slowly over low heat, then remove the meat, leaving the juices, to which should be added the vegetable ingredients. Simmer until tender, add tomatoes, after which add milk mixed with flour, and simmer again until mixture begins to thicken like gravy, then combine with meat and serve immediately.
You seem really unexcited about this one. Said serve immediately, so we can't dilly-dally. This is probably the best it's ever gonna be.
I was like, oh. You just went right for it, huh?
I have a suggestion for improving it. Huge amounts of salt.
You're gonna eat more?
It's so much better.
Right now you're wasting salt.
I maybe oversalted mine.
Yeah, you really went to town on it.
Katherine, if you were gonna name this dish, what would you call it? Obviously it is inspired both by Chinese food and Mexican food.
What? No, it's like a Cleveland chowder.
Recipe number 5. Orange cranberry relish mold. Dissolve gelatin in boiling water, add orange juice and chill until consistency of unbeaten egg white. Cut orange in quarters, remove seeds and put through a food chopper. Add ground orange, cranberry sauce, celery, and nuts to gelatin mixture and turn into a 1 quart mold. Chill until firm. Unmold to serve.
Oh no!
It's like a colon. Oh, it's like coming across just some sand in your food. Do not serve your friends or family this.
Why does Jell-O even still exist?
Oh.
This is what you get if you're in
It's
prison, high school, or the hospital. Like, where else does anyone have Jell-O?
What have we learned about 50s food, Katherine? Would you rather live today?
Oh yeah.
But I think that there may be some wisdom. Sorry.
There's a nut in there.
Helen, thanks.
Thank you, Helen. That's my grandmother's name.
Yes.
Not Helen Hunt.
Thanks to Helen Hunt too, though. Thanks, Katherine, for being in a video with me. Thank you for watching, and John, I'll see you on Tuesday.
You got a lot of cleaning up to do, babe. Have fun. I'm gonna go sit on the couch.